Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Top 5 Natural Kitchen Healers. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is easily one of the most versatile kitchen remedies you will be able to find anywhere. Not only can it be applied topically to your scalp to get rid of dandruff, but it can also be applied to your skin in order to effectively keep your skin clear. This is because it has antibacterial properties that will allow it to clean your skin from harmful bacteria that may cause blockages in your pores. Turmeric. Turmeric is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory in nature. It can soothe cold and cough symptoms and also treat acne and a number of skin problems. Drinking turmeric milk before sleeping helps with a cough and cold. For acne and other skin problems, simply make a paste of turmeric and milk, apply it on the skin. Wash off after 20 minutes. To heal wounds, simply sprinkle pure turmeric powder on the fresh wound and tie a bandage. To heal cavities and soothe toothache, apply turmeric powder on the tooth and gums and leave it overnight. Honey. Sweets are an important part of the four tastes of the palate: sweet, salty, savory and bitter. Always look for unrefined sugar. Organic honey in its natural form is delicious as a natural sweetener. Other vegetarian alternatives are stevia, coconut sugar, maple syrup or coconut nectar. Avoid highly refined processed sugar and zero-calorie sugar substitutes like aspartame and Nutria-Sweet, as these are toxic for your body. Flax-seeds. Flax-seeds are recognized for being anti-inflammatory and are antioxidants. They are gluten-free and are rich in fiber. They have omega-3 fatty acids. They also help in controlling blood pressure and cholesterol. It helps in lubricating joints and in reducing symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Include it in your diet by mixing them in the salad. You can also mix ground flax seeds to smoothies. Apply the flax seed paste directly to the inflamed and dry skin to soothe it. Garlic. Garlic offers antibiotic and antiviral benefits that make antibacterial properties make garlic a wonderful treatment for a cough and cold. It also soothes and heals oral thrush. If you have a toothache, garlic can come to rescue as it has analgesic properties too. Garlic tea can give you relief from a cough and cold. Let garlic simmer in water for 5 minutes and consume warm after straining. Apply garlic oil on oral thrush before bedtime and on the aching tooth too. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.